This is a demonstration of the dimension feature for length dimensions in 3D experience for CATIA. This is the drafting workbench. We have an orthographic view already created. We're going to duplicate a dimension. After your preferences have been set, you'll find the tab called Annotation. There's a down arrow beside this one here, and you can see the list of different types of dimensions. We'll double click this to demonstrate 3 different length dimensions. Simply select a line, move your cursor to place your dimension, click a location. With this double selected, you can select the next line, move your cursor, select a location by clicking a location. That is a horizontal and a vertical length. An aligned length, you can select a line and move it out, and that is aligned to go the same direction as the line you selected, where the extension lines come perpendicular and the dimension line is parallel. If I slide my cursor further to the right, far enough over, it will convert it to a vertical length dimension. If I go up, it will convert it to a horizontal length dimension. So selecting a single element creates length dimensions. The default is to be in feet and inches. You can highlight all your dimensions and convert them to something else. I have to turn off the dimension feature, highlight all dimensions, right click on one of the lines of the dimensions and go to properties. Using your contextual menu, go to properties, and what we're looking for is value, because we're trying to change the values, and what we're trying to change the value is from feet and inches to num dink. To place dimension, your precision 0.01 is an ANSI dimension. Okay, now we don't have 2 places called off, so again you have to set your standards. Under your preferences, check your common preferences. Under parameter measure and units, we'll make sure we have those set to 4 and display turned on, so that is good in that position. Wait a minute, select OK. Let me highlight that again and double check that. Under right click, go to properties. Yeah, precision is 0.1. So these should have been 2 places. Oh, I went to millimeters. Sorry, you want to use num dink for inches. Hit apply, and you can see when I say OK, the length dimensions are at 4 places, or 2 places for ANSI spec. If I want to convert this to ASME, this got to be 4 places. Simply highlight the profile, right click, and go to properties. Change your precision to 4 places. That's 3 zeros and a 1. Select OK. This is 4 place length dimensions for an ASME drawing. That is how you create length dimensions using the dimension feature in the Annotation tab. So Annotation, dimension feature. Annotation creates dimensions, text, and symbols. Alright, that concludes this exercise for the dimension feature for length dimensions.